Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can uninstall the BlueStacks completely from your PC. So guys, this is only the video that you need to uninstall the BlueStack completely from your PC. So if you are going to uninstall from the Windows uninstaller then it is not going to delete completely from your PC. And the very much files remain in your PC related to the BlueStacks that will consume lot of your disk memory. So now you have to just open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the Revo installer and then hit the enter. And now the best part is this is only the software which is the only 6.6 MBs. So now you can open up this website, click on the download option you are seeing on the top. So there are three versions. We are going to download it for free. So now just click on the free download option you are seeing here. And now here in this window it will start downloading into your PC. So if it gives you the message like this, click on the download unverified files, and once it was downloaded successfully, you just need to open it. Now here you can just select its language, click on the OK, click on the I accept, click on the next. If you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, then check this box, click on the next, and then click on the install. So guys, I have already installed, so I can just simply open it because this is only the software that you need to uninstall the any program completely from your PC. So once it was open here, you just need to look for the BlueStacks app player. So once you find this, right click on that, click on the uninstall. So I don't recommend you to check this box, uncheck this box, click on the continue. Now here you can select the advanced. If that is selected to any, then just select the advanced. And first it will find all the registry items related to the BlueStacks on your PC. So you just need to wait for it. Here you will see it will give me the keys like the registries values. Here you will see there are many registries in my PC related to the BlueStacks. So you need to just select them all, click on the delete. Then just simply click on the delete. Then it will looking for the leftover files or the folders related to the BlueStacks. So now here you are seeing there are many files and the folders are found, and don't worry, these are all the files or folder that is the BlueStacks. So you just need to select them all, click on the delete. So once it was deleted, you also need to delete the BlueStacks X. So once you delete the BlueStacks X completely from your PC, now it is uninstalled completely from your PC. Guys, this is how you can completely uninstall the BlueStacks from your PC. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.